Welcome back to Learn Law with Saiful. Today, I'll explain the step-by-step police investigation process in Bangladesh with reference to important sections of the CRPC from Section 154 to Section 173. Let's break it down simply and clearly. Section 154 CRPC, First Information Report, FIR. When a cognizable offense is reported to the police, the information must be recorded in writing. This is called an FIR, First Information Report. The FIR must include the name of the informant, nature of the offense, time, date, and location. The informant must sign it. Key point: this is the starting point of a police investigation. Section 156 CRPC, Power to investigate cognizable case. Once the FIR is recorded, the police have full authority to investigate the offense without prior approval from a magistrate. They can arrest, interrogate, and collect evidence. Key point: the officer in charge must investigate if the offense is within their jurisdiction. Section 161 CRPC, Examination of witnesses. During investigation, police can question any person who may have knowledge about the offense. The statement is recorded in writing, but the person does not sign it. These statements are important for preparing the case. Key point: these statements help the police build the case during investigation. Section 165 CRPC, Search by Police Officer. If a police officer has reasonable grounds to believe that important evidence is present at a location, they can search premises or persons without a warrant. A search list or seizure memo must be prepared and signed by witnesses. Key point: ensures important evidence can be collected quickly. Section 167 CRPC, Remand in Custody. If police cannot complete the investigation within 24 hours, the accused must be produced before a magistrate. The magistrate can order judicial custody, jail, police remand, custodial interrogation. Key point: protects the rights of the accused while allowing investigation to continue. Section 172 CRPC, Police Case Diary. The investigating officer must maintain a case diary, noting time, place, and date of investigation, names of persons questioned, details of evidence collected. Key point: this diary is submitted to the court for accountability. Section 173 CRPC, Submission of Final Report/Charge Sheet. After completing investigation, police submit a charge sheet if evidence is found, a final report if no evidence is found. The report is sent to the magistrate and includes names of accused and witnesses, details of the offense, evidence collected. Key point: this step decides whether the case will go to trial. Thank you for watching.